Hi and welcome to another video. Today we're going to look at the MIFA Wildrod. This is an IP67 speaker, and it comes into a really nice box. They say just enjoy surging outdoor sound. So it's really good for outdoor as well. As you can see, is the camouflage pattern on it, so it will blend in the nature very well. What do we have in here? The night belongs to us. So with this one, you can actually adjust the way the RGB lighting works. The RGB lighting is on both sides, and it's IP67. So you can pair up to 100 devices together. It has a USB-C cable and the speaker itself. So let's open it and see what's inside. As you can see, I've already removed it from this. They do give you a quality inspection. Is that what it is? Yeah, qualified certificate. And you also have the accessories in here. So let's see what they give you. So they give you a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and you have some instructions in there. You can read them on your own time if you would like. And there's nothing else in that part of that. Put that back, and let's have a look at the speaker. So these are the passive radiators. Really nice design, and it feels really rugged. No movement, no nothing. It's like a rock. A really nice strap. That's where you have the buttons. You have the volume rocker up and down. You have the play, pause. You have the link, so you could link it to up to 100 speakers. This will control the RGB lightings, and I will show you. That's the power button. And then in here we have the USB-C charging port, and then the micro SD card, so you can play music from it. What I've noticed is that even though it says it's IP67, this comes out very easy. So, you know, it's like, I'm not too sure how it's gonna behave when you drop it in the water. What if this will open? It's quite easy to open though, so that's quite an issue. Luckily, I'm not gonna drop it in the water like that. I might splash it, but and it should be fine. What else I can show you? This logo definitely reminds me of the JBL logo on previous models. Not sure if they are trying to you know, be similar to that, but otherwise it's very rugged, and I really like this color pattern. And this speaker actually is using a similar speaker setup as the JBL Flip 6 tweeter and a speaker, and then obviously the passive radiators. So let's just turn it on. Oh wow, it has a notification sound, and as you can see, the RGB lighting, it's already on. Really nice colors on that. Let me just show you a bit better. And there's no way to increase the light that. And if you press on, you can see will change the way it vibrates and the colors. So really nice. You can even turn it off. I can't remember if you press and hold. No, that's actually, it's not actually turning it off. Not too sure what that does. I think you go through all the modes, and at some point you just turn itself down. Anyway, I'm not sure how I've done it. Yeah, you see, now it's off. Probably there are quite a few modes. Okay, so let's leave it like that, and let's just try to pair it with the phone. So I'm gonna go, it doesn't have any app at the moment, so you just go into your Bluetooth and see if it's finding it. Let's just see if you need to press any, maybe that's why this was doing that noise. Yeah, so you press and hold the M button and it immediately comes up on your phone, and it did like a little notification saying that it's connected. So now let's just try and do a sample test. So I'll be placing it like that first. As you can see, because of this, it will stop from rolling, and I'm going to use this microphone. And I'll be moving this out of the way. Let me just turn on the lights, and let's play a song. So let's have a listen. By the way, the volume, it's I'm gonna turn it down a bit. So we're not gonna be playing louder than that. Okay, so let's just have a listen. Okay, let's play another song. Okay, guys, I think that's enough to understand and have a listen on exactly how it sounds. I do think it sounds really good, but then again, I'm not an expert. So for me, the sound is pleasant. It has highs, mids, and lows. I like how the RGB lighting works by the music, and I also like how the passive radiators move. It's portable, rugged, and you can take it outdoors. You can put it in your water bottle while cycling, and you can pretty much do any kind of activity with it. It goes loud as well. I couldn't really turn it all the way up because it's late, and obviously I'll disturb my neighbors. But the only downside is this flap. Not sure if that will easily open. Probably not, but it does open much more easier than other speakers. But yeah, there you have it, guys. This is the MIFA Wildrod. I think it's a brilliant speaker. It looks really nice as well. Yeah, I'm looking forward to test it against the W King D320 and some JBL speakers like Charge 5 and Flip 5. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give us a like, leave us a comment, and subscribe. Thank you.